loves, so today we're going to do a 100% ColourPop tutorial. I have a little bit of an idea in my mind, so we'll see, but you probably already saw in the preview before we started what it's going to look like. So I'm going to use as many ColourPop products as I can today. So we are going to just jump in, but before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to start by priming our faces. So we are going to use the All-Star Primer from ColourPop, of course. It just kind of looks like a lotion. Oh, it smells like lemon Starburst too. Oh, I didn't wet my sponge. Be right back. Ugh. I'm gonna use the No Filter foundation, the liquid one. This is my foundation of choice from ColourPop. It's one of my absolute favorites overall though. I'm going to mix F10 and F5, mostly F10. And I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. This one is just from Shop Miss A. All right, so we are going to use the No Filter concealer. I have mine in 02. It's very, very pale. I really love this concealer. It's not my 100% favorite just because I have pretty dry skin for the most part. I have combo skin, but it just kind of sometimes will look a little dry on my under eyes, but I made sure to really put some eye cream on this morning, so I'm hoping that will help. It's fantastic as using for an eyeshadow base. It's one of my favorites to use on my lid. It's just my under eyes are a little dry. Oh, she cute. And I'm just gonna blend that out again. The coverage is great. I love that they have such fair options. Like, look how fair that is. Ooh, fair 2 might even be too light for me, but I do like a highlighted under eye, so it works. We are gonna set some of our face with the No Filter setting powder. This is a translucent. I don't often use translucent powders, but I need to give this one another try because a lot of people I have heard that don't love translucent powders love this one. I'm gonna just use the ColourPop F14 stippling brush. All right, now we're gonna do some brows. I have been using the light brown and taupe of the Brow Boss. They are my favorite. I broke this one. I don't remember how, but I broke it. And my taupe just ran out. So we're just gonna use light brown today because I just got my taupe one in the mail and it's still upstairs. So I'm just gonna quickly fill in my brows. I feel like it's boring, so I'll probably speed through it. But just know the Brow Boss is absolutely my favorite. Now we're gonna use the Brow Boss gel in Blonde. Love, 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 love. I just ordered a new one of these as well. Couldn't remember, I think I used California Dreamin' last time and that one was way too orange for me. I'm gonna try Afternoon Delight, which is this guy, one of their pressed face contours. This one still looks a little bit orange on me, but it's okay. If you are fair and you like one of the ColourPop bronzers, let me know which one you love. I feel like they always just pull so warm on me. And the blush we're gonna use is Between the Sheets. Looks like this. So pretty. And I'm just gonna use my ColourPop F9. It's my favorite blush brush of all time. Blush always looks so intense until you put on the rest of your makeup. I feel like, especially if you're fair like me, I'm like, whoa, that's a lot of blush, girl. It's a lot of blush, calm down. Okay, and next we are gonna do Strobe Globe. I know you're totally shocked that I wanna use Strobe Globe. It is my absolute favorite highlighter of all time. Ugh, so pretty. So we're just gonna spritz our brush before we go in to Strobe Globe. I just feel like it makes the pigment so much more intense. You end up with less of this fallout on your face. So just go to lid. And oh girl, look at that. If you love a really intense glow, this is seriously the highlighter for you. I'm gonna take just the tiniest bit of S'il vous plaît. And just put that on top just so it makes it a little bit lighter for my super fair skin. And I'm gonna go back over with my beauty sponge and just tap it in because I feel like that takes it down just a little bit and kind of melts it into your skin. Okay, now we're gonna do the eyes. I think I'm gonna dip into this. I have not used this at all. This is the new collection from I Love Sarahi. Packaging is beautiful, per usual. So pretty. I'm a sucker for shades like this, so I think we're just gonna start with this one. Wild Soul. I don't want it too pigmented, so I think I'm gonna mix it with Sandalwood. I'm gonna go ahead and take those same shades on the lower lash line just to keep it a little bit even. I think I wanna take Nostalgia. I'm gonna focus that in the crease. I'm gonna take Nostalgia on the lid. I'm gonna take this tiny angled flat brush from Luxie. It's the 111 mini flat angled. And I'm gonna go into this guy right here. And I'm just gonna stamp that out here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Swerve. It's just their black creme gel pencil, and I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line on the outer corner. I'm just gonna smudge it out with this little brush. It still has quite a bit of Divina, that dark shade, on it, so we're just going to let that be and blend it right here. I'm gonna go back into Wild Soul just a little bit and blend that back on the lower lash line. That's the yellow shade, just to have this blended out into something. Maybe we'll go with this guy, Lucido. Ooh, I love that. I was like matte smoky eye, and now I'm like, let me put a little bit of glimmer. I want to put a little bit of base under where we're gonna put some glitter. So I'm just tapping that on with my fingertip and taking it not to the top of the blend, but a little bit above the crease. I am going to use some of the Glitterly Obsessed glitters. Of course, these are not recommended for your eyes, but I have seen plenty of people and use them on my eyes myself, and I haven't personally had any issues. So only use these at your own risk, because they are designed for the face and body, not for your eyes. But quite a few people I have seen using them on their eyes, and again, I haven't had issues, but just be very careful to not get any of these particles in your eye. The shades that I am going to use are Dream About Me and Puffin. And I just do a little bit at a time just so I don't have a lot of fallout, and I just kind of tap my finger in. I'm just going to tap this one on the center of the lid and then work my way towards the inner corner. And I think I'll take it all the way to the inner corner, and then I'm just going to layer Puffin on top of that. Oh, guys, it's so pretty. I hope this is translating just as beautiful as it is. It probably isn't. Now we're going in with Puffin. The only thing that I don't have is a liquid liner, because ColourPop does not make a liquid liner. They make a creme gel pot, but mine was dried up, so I got rid of it, and I haven't ordered a new one because cream liners are not my liner of choice. So I am just going to use my regular liners that I normally use, which is the Revolution Renaissance Flick in the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black. So I'm just going to use these guys. I'm going to go ahead and put on my wing, and I'll be right back because it's not a ColourPop product, so I don't feel like I need to include it, but I do feel like I need a wing. All right, so my wing is on, but their ColourPop also does not have a mascara yet. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on mascara and lashes. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Revolution mascara and these Kiss lashes in 01. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are so much like the Salon Perfect 614s that I love, but these are more dramatic. They're darker. They swoop out more, if that there's like a bigger, fluffier curl. So I feel like the 614 are more of natural. They're not natural, but they're like super long natural lashes. Then these are like, boom, bold and fluffy, and I'm living for it. So I'm going to put these guys on, and I'll be right back. I think I'm going to take that same white highlighter that I used, which was S'il vous plaît, or S'il vous plaît. I'm going to put it on my inner corner. I want a pop-in inner corner highlight. Just going to pop it right in there. So much me wants to use that green in that palette, but I don't know if I want to just like pop it on the lower lash line or what. Should I do it? I'm gonna put the tiniest bit of this on the lower lash line. I wasn't gonna. Let's do it. Now let's do lips. I think that's a fun little pop of color. As soon as I got the palette, that was the color that like really drew me in. So I'm glad that I figured out a way to incorporate it into this look. Okay, I'm just gonna use Birdy, I think. I should just be using lip products that are only available. I don't know if Birdy's still available. It's probably not, because that's how my life goes. Every one of my favorite lip liners. I love Birdy and Button. I wish Button would come back. Button was like the best. But I'm just gonna use Birdy and line my lips. We do temporary like lip plumping at school right now, and I just had it done yesterday. My upper lip looks a little bit plumper. It just lasts for like 2 weeks. So we'll see. I haven't put on any lip products since I had it done, so I'm kind of excited to see if it looks any different. This is the nude I'm gonna use from the I Love Sarahi collection. This is in Sueno de Coco, I think. I don't know how to say anything. This is definitely gonna be too dark for what I want, so I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see it, and then I'm gonna lighten it with some concealer because I'm weird and I love doing that. So let's see how this goes. All right, so this is what the color looks like without lightening it. But I'm gonna hurry up and put a little bit of concealer on it before it dries. All right, love, so I'm gonna finish it off by spraying all over the All Star setting spray. All right, and we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please let me know down in the comments below what brand you want a 100% tutorial on. I'm planning to do a CoverGirl one because now they're cruelty-free and that makes me so happy. I know I'm not a 100% cruelty-free channel, but I am definitely making a huge effort. So I hope that you guys appreciate that. I know you guys want Beach Cosmetics, but just let me know what other brands you really want to see down below and I will do my best to do them for you. All right, love, so that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel, and I will talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye. Everything's so hard today. Do you ever just have those days where everything's just like so difficult and you don't know why? So we are just going to spritz this brush before we throw it on the floor. I mean, what? Get it together, Shan. You just did your face. On the eyeballs. Ooh, my nose is like powdery. Oh, I don't know how to say that.